Understanding, Increase the Volume, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might hear quite often: increase the volume. Understanding this phrase is not just about the words themselves but also about the context in which they're used. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some practical examples to help you master this expression. Stay tuned. Increase the volume refers to making the sound louder on a device or system that produces audio. This can be anything from a television, a radio, a smartphone, or even speakers at a live event. The key idea here is the action of making the sound louder so that it can be heard more clearly or from a greater distance. This phrase is commonly used in everyday situations where audio volume needs adjustment. For instance, while watching a movie and the dialogue is too soft to hear. During a phone call when the caller's voice is faint. At parties or events where music needs to be louder for the atmosphere. To use this phrase, you can simply say or ask someone to increase the volume. It's a polite and direct way to request a louder sound. Additionally, this phrase can be modified with please for extra politeness. Could you please increase the volume? Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in real-life scenarios. 1. At home, the movie's sound effects are too low. Can you increase the volume? 2. In a car. I love this song. Increase the volume, please. 3. During a presentation. I can't hear the speaker well. Could someone increase the volume of the microphone? These examples show the versatility of the phrase and how it can be applied in various settings. Understanding and using the phrase, increase the volume, is a small but significant part of mastering English. It's about communicating your needs clearly and effectively in situations involving audio. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to increase the volume of your learning journey with English. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.